What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding solving radical equations. First example I have is square root of x plus 1 minus x plus 1 equals to 0. The answer will be square root of x plus 1 equals to, we move these two to the right hand side, it will be x minus 1. Then we square both sides. We have x plus 1 equals to x minus 1 squared, which is x squared plus 1 minus 2x. Then we have x squared plus 1 minus 2x minus x minus 1. That will change to x squared minus 3x equals to 0, which is going to be x times x minus 3. So we have x equals to 0 and equals to 3. These are the two answers. Next example is square root of x plus 4 minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Answer is square root of x plus 4 equals to x minus 2. We squared both sides. The 2 and square root cancel out, it will be x plus 4. And here x minus 2 squared is x squared plus 4 minus 4x. And then you move this one to the right hand side, it will be x squared minus 5x equals to 0, because 4 minus 4 is 0. Then you factor, this will be x times x minus 5 equals to 0. So we have two answers, one of them is 0, the other one is 5. 0 and 5. Next example, we have square root of x plus 100 minus x plus 100 equals to 0. Answer is square root of x plus 100 equals to x minus 100. Then you squared both sides. 2 and the square root cancel out, it will be x plus 100. And here we have x minus 100 to the power of 2, which will be x squared plus 100 squared minus 200x. When we rearrange it, it will be x squared minus 201x plus 100 squared is 10,000 minus 100 is 9,900 equals to 0. Now we need to solve this one. If we use the quadratic equation, x will be 114.65 and 86.35. These are the two answers. Next example, we have square root of y minus 8 minus y equals to negative 8. The answer is square root of y minus 8 equals to y minus 8, because negative y goes to this side, it's going to be y minus 8. Then we squared both sides, 2 and square root cancel out, it will be y minus 8. And here we have y squared plus 64 minus 16y. Then we have y squared plus 64 minus 16y minus y plus 8 equals to 0. Then you have y squared plus 72 minus 17y, which will be y minus 9, y minus 8, because negative 9 times negative 8 will be 72, and when you add them is negative 17y. So the two answers will be positive 8 and positive 9. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding square roots, radicals, and other topics in math and science. Thank you and have a great day.